Random Facts, Yeast Edition. What is yeast and how does it make bread rise? Join us as we delve deep into the microscopic world of this remarkable single-celled fungus and unravel its essential role in the art of bread making. Yeast is a type of single-celled fungus belonging to the kingdom fungi. It is a microscopic organism that plays a crucial role in various biological processes, particularly in the context of baking and fermentation. Yeasts are found naturally in the environment, including on fruits, grains, and in the soil. One of the most well-known species of yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly referred to as baker's yeast or brewer's yeast. This species is widely used in the food and beverage industry due to its ability to ferment sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide through a process called alcoholic fermentation. Yeast makes bread rise through a process called fermentation, specifically alcoholic fermentation. Here's how it works. In bread making, yeast is typically in an inactive or dormant state, either as dry yeast or as part of a starter culture like sourdough. When yeast is mixed with warm water and sugar, such as glucose or maltose, it becomes activated. The yeast feeds on the sugar in the dough, breaking it down into carbon dioxide gas and alcohol through a process called fermentation. This produces bubbles of carbon dioxide throughout the dough, causing it to rise and expand. As the dough rises, the gluten network, formed from proteins in the flour, stretches and traps the carbon dioxide bubbles, creating a light and airy texture in the bread. After kneading, the dough is allowed to rest and rise in a warm, humid environment, a process known as proofing or fermentation. During this time, the yeast continues to produce carbon dioxide gas, further expanding the dough. Once the dough has doubled in size, it is shaped and placed in the oven to bake. The heat of the oven causes the carbon dioxide bubbles to expand further, creating a final burst of rising before the crust sets and the bread begins to brown. Overall, yeast plays a crucial role in bread making by fermenting sugars to produce carbon dioxide gas, which causes the dough to rise and results in the light, fluffy texture of bread. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you would like to see next. Don't forget to hit the like button, share your favorite yeast facts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering adventures in the world of culinary science.